Hello and welcome to Stoke Audi. Here we have a approved use 2019 Audi A1 Sportback S-Line Contrast Edition. This vehicle features the 35 TFSI 150 PS engine and the 6-speed manual gearbox, and is finished in the stunning Python yellow metallic paint. This vehicle features the black styling with the really sporty and aggressive looking black grille and the black bumpers. We also have the darkened LED headlights with the headlight washer system. This vehicle also has 18-inch 7-spoke rotor design alloy wheels in gloss black. We've also got the S-Line badging throughout the exterior, as seen here, and the black exterior door mirror housing are part of the black styling pack, and those door mirrors are electrically adjustable, heated and folding. Here you can see the contrasting Mythos Black metallic roof, which is a really stylish point of this Audi A1 S-Line. We've also got privacy glass to the rear and rear side windows, and this also increases the styling as well as safety and security for the rear passengers. We also have the darkened LED rear lights and the black badging across the A1 35 TFSI and Audi ring badging. We've also got rear parking sensors across the bumper, great for assisting you when completing manoeuvres. And as we open up the boot space, you'll be able to see that there's a fantastic amount of boot space to the Audi A1. Fantastic for such a small, compact vehicle. And those seats do split to the 60/40 configuration, should you ever require additional space. This vehicle also features the Audi Presense system with the pedestrian and cyclist recognition. So the vehicle will brake for you in emergencies. And we've also got the light and rain sensors, which adjust the headlights and the windscreen wipers dependent on the weather. Towards the interior, you'll see the 3-spoke leather multifunctional steering wheel, which is height and reach adjustable. The multifunctional aspect controls the MMI and the virtual cockpit display. It also controls the voice recognition and the media volume. Here is the lever for the cruise control system, which also does include the speed limiter. As we take a look at the virtual cockpit display, which is a high-resolution screen, replacing the traditional speedometer, you'll be able to see that this vehicle has done 10,648 miles at the time of filming. You can also view the media and the radio and the telephone connectivity on this screen. Here we have the 8.8-inch touchscreen MMI display with Audi smartphone interface with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, meaning you can use your phone in a safe way whilst on the road. Also on this screen you'll be able to access the Audi Drive Select system, and you can choose between efficiency, auto, dynamic, or you can select your own individual setting, deciding exactly how you would like the drive system and the steering to perform. We also have the full DAB digital radio, and this vehicle also comes fitted with the manual air conditioning system. This vehicle also features the 2 USB charging access points, which can be seen here in the centre console of the vehicle. We also have the manual gear change lever and front sport seats, which are finished in the leather and Alcantara combination with the S-Line embossed logo to the headrest. For more information, please give the team here at Stoke Audi a call on 01782 488 205. Thank you for watching.